Hi, I'm Scott Westoff, and this is Everyday Stories on Our Homestead. Today's story is all about the leak. My my roof had some shingles come off months ago in a storm. I saw a few shingles on the ground, didn't do anything about it besides pick up the shingles. Now we've been having storms like crazy, and Cecilia's room has a waterfall in it. It's awful. So the point is, if we don't prepare ahead of time, we'll deal with the consequences later, and it'll get worse and worse and worse. We could have done it with just a few shingles. Now I've probably got to replace wood. I can't even get up there yet because it's still raining. I mean, it's going to be dry today, so obviously I'm going to get up there and prepare now, but it would have been better a long time ago. So the insight is that preparation is everything. It's time to prepare before the storm. And if we ignore the warning signs, we're going to pay a bigger price later. Now, natural consequences teach the best. It's very humbling. I'm reminded that storms come to all of us on the homestead and in life. When they do, we either prepare in advance or we suffer through them as they happen. And that sucks. Let me tell you, there is a trash can in her room, water coming in it, it's full, and we got a big mess to clean up. So whether it's checking our fencing in the homestead, our tools that we have, or shoring up our website, don't put it off. A little effort before saves a lot of stress later. Let's learn from our mistakes, prepare our homesteads, and make it better for everybody. Not everybody's prepared. We know this. And I've actually got an article I'm putting on the blog. It's theprofitablehomesteadproject.com/blog. And I'm putting an article out there. I hope they get it finished today. I've been having some technical difficulties, but it's all about being prepared and how to prepare a year's source of food, of food storage. And it doesn't have to be something big. It can be a little bit at a time. Don't try to do it all at once. And we also need to have a year's worth of savings. Can you imagine that? Most people are using credit cards. I know I've been guilty of that. And we need to have a reserve of money, not paying interest, but earning interest. That is the goal. And we got to do it a little at a time. Let's start today. Create a great day.